Do you ever struggle to get the right lighting when you're using your camera? I'm Brittany with WTI, and I was so impressed with this Godox V480-C. You can direct the flash in any direction that you want, even behind. It has a chargeable battery that you're able to, when you take it out of the case, just open on the side and the battery just slides right in. Once you turn it on, you can control the power of the flash, switch it out of manual or TTL mode, and the focus mode. You can take shady shots to be vibrant and beautiful pictures. The flash in its case fits so well in my camera bag and connects so easy. Once you attach it, it's going to connect directly to your camera. Make sure you lock it so that it doesn't move. The diffuser that it comes with can be easily removed, and you can pop out a little reflection card that's built in. This is so great for when you're wanting to not have the direct light at what you're shooting. I used it for taking beautiful pictures of the falling snow. This was also great for taking pictures of the products that I sell. Having the ability to move the flash made it so easy, especially when I noticed that there was a glare on the jewelry that I was taking a picture of. You can easily unlock it, slide it out, put it in the wonderful case that it comes into. Such a game changer. I love it. But that's just my point of view.